Hello guys, in case you have watched my Galaxy S26 Ultra unboxing video last month, I immediately actually installed a screen protector on it. I did the installation of Pink's glass screen protector anti-reflective that you see here, and I always promised you to be as transparent as possible about my experience. Now, I actually have to be honest with you that so far my experience with this screen protector hasn't been as great as I would have hoped, because I actually got some micro scratches all over the display. In less than a week, I saw my first micro scratch, not really huge ones, but it got them pretty badly. Like by time I can see them, especially on like a strong light, like sunlight, I can see that I have now some micro scratches all around. They are not deep, so you cannot feel them or anything. So that's why I was searching for a great replacement. And I actually landed onto this interesting one from ESR. Now, ESR is a company that I personally never tried. It's gonna be the first time that I try something they made. It actually stood out to me for that this one is actually made by Corning. Corning, the same company that actually made the original Gorilla Glass, Corning Gorilla Glass. So that's why it really caught up my attention, seeing they did this collaboration with ESR to make this premium protective screen protector, which has also an anti-reflective finish. So we're gonna see it actually in this video. Check it out. I always avoid to make it have any kind of contact with any like metallic or anything that could potentially scratch it. So that's why I found it weird that despite the fact that I am actually very careful, it's the first time that I noticed such a scratch that comes this fast, I would say. Maybe after a few months, I would say it could be normal, but like after 3 days, I started noticing those micro scratches all around. That's why I wanted to solve this, and hopefully this one from ESR is gonna help us with this. Honestly, I'm very excited, so let's get to it. Okay, it comes in this actually very premium box, and here we have some accessories that come with it. Okay, so you can see here we have this installer. We actually have included 3 of them. They are already like pre-assembled. You don't need to do anything. You just need to put them probably in this tray. Keep in mind that you're gonna need this every time you need to install one of them. So make sure that you keep this stored in case, even after you apply one, in case you need other protectors installed. So let's see how it's actually done. First, place face down the phone and then hold firmly and pull tab and then register fingerprint. As easy as that. Like imagine how easy it is. It's actually very simple. Let's see what's included here. So we have this squeegee for removing air bubbles. It's actually pretty soft here. And here you have this holder. Okay, so what else do we have? We also have here some preparation, easy replacement. So here we have this warranty card, this ESR warranty card, easy replacement with no return needed. Like here you have some conditions, so you can return it and get like a warranty. So ESR Care Plus, you need to activate your 24 months warranty and contact support. It's easy, I would say, just clean as usual and put the screen protector, then the phone, then pull this tab and close. So pretty easy, I would say, to be honest. It cannot get easier than this. So here we have also some wet wipe and dust removal sticker and a dry cleaning cloth and another wet wipes. So we have 3 of everything except for this one. So first of all, I'm gonna remove the cover. of course. Okay, I got the cobalt violet. It's actually very gorgeous. Let's turn it off and then remove the screen protector. Maybe on a black screen you can see it. Let me try to show you. Maybe you can see the micro scratch. Here it's located here. Not sure if you guys can see it, but yeah, I believe it's visible even on the video. You can see it. It's right here. And there are actually some random ones like here. So definitely not the best looking. So I'll go ahead and remove it. It's removed very easily, by the way. So I'll go ahead and put the screen protector actually. Okay, so first of all, we'll need to load it with the screen protector. There are two those two notches or two plastic pieces that you will get it inside it. Then close this. We'll just close it for now. And then we'll put the phone face down and pull this off. So I'll clean the display. Now I'll just use the dry cloth to dry it. Okay, now I'll use finally the dust absorbing sticker. Put it face down. And make sure that you brace quite well. Okay, now we are all good. All we need to do is close this tray, pull this while pressing here. So make sure that you press hardly because we're gonna pull this off. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, I did it. I'm very excited about the results. Now I'll just wait. Here they said actually to wait for 2 seconds actually. Let's see now. You can see the screen protector is now attached on it. So I'll just use a little bit my finger to try to get out any air bubble. Now let's remove this. Wow, it's perfect. I don't see any kind of imperfections or air bubbles or any issues at all. You can see it even has an anti-reflection finish. So you can see it has a little bit, pretty much the same as Banks one, I would say, when it comes to anti-reflection. So it really looks very premium, and it covers edge to edge. As you can see, it's covering the whole display and it's fully aligned. What I like about it is that it's really very aligned with the display. So it's covering the whole display, the whole glass, including the selfie camera, and it was very surprisingly very easy to install. So now let's turn it on to check out fingerprints and everything. Given that it's actually new, we cannot tell if it's gonna be more scratch resistant. So make sure that you pay attention to the pinned comment of this video, because I'm gonna try my best to keep it updated. So I'm gonna update you about my experience through the time. And you can also ask me always in the comments about my experience, after, as the time goes on, I'm gonna keep you updated about this. Because the issue at the beginning, all of them looks perfect, but then by time you start to experience if there are any issues. Also, let's try privacy display, so you can see that it also works on it. So no compromise to the privacy display with this screen protector, as well as that one from Banks. None of them would affect this actually, because it's all implemented into the display itself. This one also has anti-reflection, as I said, so it's actually nice. Now let me try the fingerprint, if it's gonna work. It actually worked out of the box without that I do a new re-registration of it. It really worked flawlessly. You can see No issues at all. It's working very fast. It's reading every time. So I don't believe that we even need to re-register it again. But in case you have any issues, you can always, of course, delete previous one and re-register it. So yeah, you can see it really looks very gorgeous, and I really like the fact that it's covering edge to edge and the colors looks very nice. No compromise to image quality at all. I really hope that it lasts me long. Like usually screen protectors aren't something that I tend to switch quite often. Now I know that Pinks is actually a very good brand and I really trust them, but unfortunately with this one I was just unlucky and got some micro scratches, but it doesn't mean that it's actually a bad product by any means. Like I tried them previously for my Z Fold 7 S25 Ultra. It lasted me all the time until I changed the phone, and it was still, even when I left it, it's still there and without any micro scratch or any damage. So just with the S26 Ultra, guess I was just unlucky. Like after 3 days, I started to see that, and it actually really degraded my experience when using the phone. So that's why I wanted to try something, and actually ESR came into my mind. Like I was just searching around and found that they actually collaborate with Corning to make their screen protector, and it really caught my attention and just wanted to try them out, and here we are. I actually don't regret it and feel like it's actually very nice. It's as nice as Wings when it comes to looking and the premium feeling, but hopefully it's gonna be more durable and scratch resistant. So yeah guys, that was it for this video. I really hope that you found it useful. I'm curious to know which screen protector are you using for your S26 Ultra. So in case you are using one, let me know down in the comments, and what kind of experience you have also with ESR in case you tried them. What do you think about their brand or their products or their screen protectors? Like in case you tried specifically this one, let me know also your experience with them. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to TECHOSAUR for more content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.